Today, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in the Amazon Shopping app so you can make payments directly and manage your transactions with ease. This process is simple and only takes a few taps on your phone. Start by opening the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the three-line menu to open your account options. From there, select Accounts. This is where all your account settings, including payment methods, are located. Next, scroll down to find Payments. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your current payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and any previously added bank accounts. To link a new bank account, select Add Bank Account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account information. This usually includes your account number, routing number, and sometimes your account type. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any payment issues. Once you've entered the information, tap Save or Add Account. Your bank account is now securely linked to your Amazon Shopping app. From this point on, whenever you check out or make a purchase, you can select your bank account as the payment method. This makes buying products faster, safer, and more convenient. And that's it. Your bank account is now successfully added, and you can manage it anytime from the payment section in your Amazon app. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another quick, useful tip.